Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this sultry brownish fall-y kind of look. I know a lot of you guys requested this makeup tutorial on my previous video, so I decided why not redo it so you guys can see. It's super easy and it doesn't require that many colors. So if you guys like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this tutorial. Your fears and your dreams, I can show you how to get there with me. Let me tell you something. See, I like the most simplest things. Don't care about the diamond and gold rings. If I could lay by the ocean, feel the breeze, that's cool with me. Apart, but time has brought my heart to you. I know you feel the same too. Come next to me, I can help you see that we're meant to be. Complicated but intentionally adorned by you, See, I think about you all day, baby. I've got your back like always. Lately, I've allowed my heart to fall the hard way for you.
Estás escuchando a The Chronic.
I never cheated, babe, but you were heated, not knowing my soul. And they were your comfort, but I made my effort. If you're gone, how would you know? The world was ours, you had the power. Take that away. Talked in the shower, you said you'll never just walk away. You still have control of me. You still have a hold on me. I hate you. I wish I never met you. I see your future's bright. Why do I take the time? Congrats on your new life. All I got was negative. Ain't a coincidence. You got what's half of mine. The world was ours. You had the power. Take that away. Talked in the shower. You said you'll never just walk away. I hate you. And now I stay with him to avoid the pain within. Look how long it has been. I still still think of you and all the things you do. Scared to pick another you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye!
Take that away. Talks in the shower. You said you never just walk away.